If you want to factory reset your Galaxy Watch Ultra before selling or giving it away, or during special cases when you can't access the settings, we're going to show you 3 different ways with or without buttons how to hard reset your Galaxy Watch, erase contents, and take it back to its default settings. In normal times, if you want to reset your watch before selling or give away, please make sure to remove or log out of your Google account if you're using any on your watch. After that, swipe down your watch face, enter Settings, scroll down, enter General, scroll down, and then tap on Reset. You can either reset it from your watch or reset the watch remotely from the same settings and sections on your Wearable app. But if you're resetting your watch just because you've forgotten your screen lock, in that case, you'll have to take your watch to recovery mode. To get into recovery mode, first make sure your watch is turned on. Press and hold this up and down button together until you see the Samsung logo and rebooting underneath. Release the buttons and quickly press twice on the top button. When you're in this list, use only your top button to go down. When you see recovery, press and hold the top button to select it. You'll get through the Samsung logo and eventually you'll end up in recovery mode. Use your down button to go down in this list till you find Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Select with your top button, go to Factory Data Reset, confirm it. But before you confirm it, please make sure this will delete and erase every data on your watch. If you're okay with this, just go with the confirmation process. After the reset is done, you'll end up in this section again. From here, select Reboot System Now. Your watch will restart and you'll have to reset up your watch again. So these are the ways you can hard reset your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching.